What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we have a little addition, thank you WaySafe, to my F350. Wait, what is... Gotta wait for that. Come along with me as we get this thing put together and installed on the best truck on the road. F350, baby. Guys, I want to give a big shout out to my homies over at WaySafe for hooking me up with this sweet piece of equipment. No, it's not that color, but it is this configuration combo ball. So what that allows you to do is flip this boy over, and if your trailer is 2-inch or 2 5/16, you got which ones you need. But I did opt for the stainless steel ball. So let's get this thing opened up and let's check this out, because I mean, I haven't even seen it. I opened up the box and it was a box in a box, and I'm like, I gotta wait and open it up with y'all. All right, let's check this out. Got some instructions. Always gotta read the yellow stuff. Oh, check it out. It tells us about the chains. If we're gonna use the one with the 3/8 shank, we'll be able to get 21,000 pounds if we're using that 2 5/16. Word. Okay, let's get to the nitty gritty. We opted for the black Cerakote finish. Pretty sweet. Check that boy out. Box is heavy. This is heavy. Got that 2-inch. And we got that big boy. Alright, let's see what else we got in here. Got the locking pins, which they said they were going to hook me up with the lock. That is keyed the same. Thank you, WaySafe. That's awesome. Awesome. Oh yeah, look at that. Zinky. Cool. And then look at this thing. Holy hell. This is a big boy. Manufacturer 720, so we knew. Oh man. Alright, so let's get all this compacted and out of the way. Let's check out these instructions. Why be kind of safe when you can be way safe? Catchy. I like it. That's a lot of fine print, which I am going to go over on my own. I'm going to read this, but obviously I'd want you guys to check that out at your leisure and make sure to register your product, which I am going to do. My wife likes to do that, so maybe I'll give her a task. But right now, ensure that the 180 hitch ball pin A is inserted fully into the 180 slider B, which is this boy here. So we are in there. Do not operate without that in place, but it says it generally isn't supposed to be removed, so good thing we got that in there. All right, step 2. Place the 180 slider at the desired drop on the drawbar to ensure that your vehicle and trailer are properly positioned. Once you've achieved the desired position along the drawbar, insert the key lock assembly D into the 180 slider and lock in place by turning the key. So I think what I'm going to do first is I'm going to put this on the truck, because these are heavy things. I'm going to get this mounted, and then we'll put this on and see what it's like, because this is going to be freaking... I hope nobody pile drives the butt end of the truck now. Ugh. Alright, let me move all this stuff. Alright, let's go ahead and get this old girl removed. Not gonna need that anymore. Go ahead and pull this insert out. What do you guys think about the light add-on? Did anybody go ahead and do theirs? I thought it was pretty slick. Alright, we're gonna go ahead and... Dang, that boy is sick. Thank you, WaySafe. Okay, we're gonna open this up. That looks very nice. Okay, got the nice key. Oh yeah, that's tight. I think, what's this say? Be sure it's fully engaged. Pull firmly on the lock. Head to confirm the lock components are failure to comply. Will cause injury. I don't want to look at this nasty yellow label. At least it's not super sticky. Just a little bit. Nothing a little brake clean. Can't get rid of. Oh, it's coming off. Okay, enough of that. So let's go ahead and put this in. Oh yeah, that's nice. Okay, that's locked in there. Kind of jiggly. No big deal though. Alright, so here comes the fun part. Let's unlock this. Okay, if you guys check this out, you can see the little mechanism on the very bottom. So we're going to slide this in and then lock it up. So let's put the big boy up first, the 2 5/16. I don't know where we're gonna put it. Let's put it halfway. Nope, we need to go one down. Oh. Well, that fucking straight sucks. Go ahead and slide it in like that. Turn it lefty-loosey to lock. Now that's not coming out. That's pretty badass looking. Let's see what it looks like a little lower. I can dig it. What do you guys think? Came with a little cover here for this. Pretty sweet. Kind of sucks because I slipped out of my hands and just fell on the freaking cement. God dang it. But yeah, overall, man, that thing is beefy as heck. I wonder how much noise it'll make, you know, in the truck going over bumps, but I guess it really doesn't matter. Regardless, that's a big boy hitch. Tell me, guys, what you think about that in the comment section. What kind of hitch are you guys running? I'm gonna try this out. I really like the way it's constructed. I think it's the materials used are nice. I like their website, their customer service, and their reviews. So all of them got A+ in my book. Make sure to check out waysafe.com. Check out their Instagram and all the trucks that they're fitting with their materials. And I thought was really cool was the fifth wheel WaySafe hitch. So when you put it in your gooseneck or fifth wheel or whatever, it'll actually give you the tongue weight on there too. So that I didn't know that was out there on the market, but it is. All right, you guys, till next time, Super Duty 2020, we're out.